Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of GBPUSD, and we will also share our trading ideas of GBPUSD for intraday trading with all of you guys. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. So this is the GBPUSD chart. First we go on D1 time frame and see what's going on here. On D1 time frame, market is in range. Let's draw our support and resistance. So this is the range on D1 time frame. Let's move on H4 time frame and modify these areas. Okay, fine, but I think there's a minor resistance also here, and this is the fine. If we look on H1 time frame, let's modify these areas. Resistance, I think resistance is fine. Yeah, let's take the recent resistance. Okay, fine. This is the demand area here, support level also, and this candle is acting like an demand. Okay, so let's modify this area also. This is the minor resistance level. Yeah, so these are the analysis of GBPUSD. So basically, personally, I have a buy limit order almost here. I have a buy limit order. Okay, so this is the buy limit order which I personally placed. Okay, otherwise if market break this resistance level and a bullish candle close above this resistance level, then there's a high probability chance that market will go up at the resistance level. So these are the trading ideas of GBPUSD for today. One is that if market break this resistance, then we will open a buy trade, and the other one, I have a buy limit order at this demand area. So these two trading ideas for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and forex groups. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. And don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live forex analysis. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.